How's it going, guys? So today I am going to replace the thermostat housing and I guess temperature sensor and all that fun stuff on a 2016 Jeep Renegade, the 2.4. The 2.0 and the 2.4 are the same. It's whatever model year that is, I'll put it in the title. But it's this thing right here. This whole unit comes with the sensor, and this is actually built in, so you can't take the thermostat really out. It looks like it's some kind of a press in. You could probably get it out, but that's not how you replace it. I got it from Rock Auto for 74 bucks. This is the part number on Rock Auto that you will use, and I'm going to show you how to do it at home with hand tools, not in a shop or anything like that. So we're going to get over here. Basically what you want to do is take off this engine cover. There's a 10 like right here, and then it just pops off. Then we're gonna need to take the radiator hose off, but it kind of looks better to me. No, actually it doesn't even matter. So you want to get a clip. I'll see if I can get you in there and pop this guy off. So let me try and do that, and then I'll show you how I did it. Alright, so I'm going to take you in here. So the radiator hose is right here. There's a clip that goes on the slot right here. You want to use a demo pick to get in here, pull it back. The clip looks like this. So it's going to be facing like that when you pull it off. Then you want to pull this hose off by wiggling it and trying not to break stuff. Make sure you have a drain pan underneath, which I do down there. So we're just going to try and do that, and you can see where it goes up into where you need to pull the thermostat out behind all this junk. So we're going to do that real quick. Let me set you guys down. Alright. Jeez. Oh, that's a massive pain in the ass. So what you need to do, this little clip on this side, if you go around, not this inner part slowly with a small flat and just kind of point at it and pull straight out, it'll come off, but it's got some pressure because there's coolant in there, even if you vent it. So taking this coolant reservoir off, it just slides over and comes up and out, so that's easier to get access. So now we want to start moving to take off the battery. So how to take the battery off, you're going to need a Phillips and a 10mm wrench. So basically how you do that is this little clip on the negative. Looks like that, it's shake, it kind of comes off. A ring on there, huh? You want to take your Phillips and you want to come over here. I'll take these guys out. Not parked mileage, it's been being driven, it's not never been parked. So saying I don't understand what Chrysler did here, a Fiat Chrysler, but it is not good. It's not a good car, man. So like so, you have this off, and there's a battery strap holding this down. It looks like a 14 or something. Let's go grab some of that. So this battery tray is a 13. That's what it looks like. Alright, so underneath this tray right here, there's going to be a drain that looks like this. And it's going to be positioned right under this ECU. Like this, you can just pull it and it'll come off. Like so. So then, once you do that, you can take off this tray. Sorry, phone call. What you want to do is get a 10 mil. And I'm going to pull off these 3 bolts on here. They're 10s. One of them has a ground strap attached to it. You just need to get this off so we can move it out of the way. Make sure you keep track of the bolts. So it goes like 1, 2, 3. So then that should be able to pull this off of these supports like so to move out of the way. Like this. Underneath here, like that. Alright, cool. Oh yeah. See the sensor right there? That's what we're taking off. Like that. So, quick how to, you gotta take the battery box off, so I'm gonna do that real quick. It's just a bunch of clips if you look what's attached and what's not, things like that. So what you want to do is after you get all the clips, you want to take these guys out. So this is disconnected, good to go. This guy needs to become like that. You can see where all the clips are, the strap, all that crap. So there you go. Now we can actually get in there. Take out the thermostat. Man, that's a lot of work. So you want to start just taking stuff apart. You can see the hose clamps are 7 millimeters. You're gonna have to like I don't know how I just did this, but I got this bolt out behind the thermostat. Holy shit. But I used a secret trick without having to take a bunch of crazy stuff off. Without any, you need a 3/8 to quarter adapter to a 10 and quarter. And if you kind of get in there, you can take it out. You just have to use a magnet or your fingers to get in there somehow. It's such a pain in the butt. So, try my best to get these out of here. I'm going to assume they're 7 mils also. So I'm going to try and take this off because I can't get certain things off, but we'll see. You know. Now we got to freaking magnet that guy out. This goes on the top hose that I'm just taking off. Do yourself a favor and just take out the vacuum pump. Fuck. Alright. There you have it, dude. That's how you take out a thermostat. You can see you have to remove the vacuum pump unless you want to have a difficult time. And you see this little slot right here? Thermostat housing goes in between that and slides down into it. You see it. And then you have to take those brackets off. 2 nuts and a top nut. You'll see it back here. And to take off the hose, obviously, and you see down there, you have to take that hose off and make sure you have coolant drip pan or something. I'm trying to get this old hose off. As you can see between the old one and the new one, let's try and slide this dude back in, you know, all that good stuff. Nothing really else to do. Kind of lubricate it maybe with some So this is the coolant you need to add if you're going to Walmart. If you're going to AutoZone, get O'Reilly, get Xerix. See if I can. Alright, so now for the moment of truth here. Make sure this thing freaking starts, you know. Zoom out, let me throw you guys back. Get a better view here. I'll check for leaks and everything and I'll let you know how it goes here. Let's see. Everything looks okay. Alright guys, it's the next morning, so I drove the car around, got it up to operating temperature for like 30 minutes. Heat full on, AC on, all that stuff, swapped it back and forth. And everything looks good. There's no engine light now. If you look, it just goes through its little checks, you know. And if you start it up, you can see that there's no alarms. And we'll look at the hood. So I looked underneath. Let it sit overnight and there wasn't any leaks. That's all old stuff from other stuff. But you can tell there's no coolant anywhere, you know? It works, no leaks. I am gonna have to fill up the reservoir though. It did take some coolant. So, other than that, should be good to go. So, whoa. So thanks for watching, guys. This is how to change the thermostat on your 2.4 liter Jeep Renegade or whatever Fiat Chrysler product that engine comes in. Thanks for watching.